In this tutorial, I'll show you how night word search puzzles work. This puzzle type uses a different movement pattern, making it more challenging and interesting than a classic word search. In a night word search, words are not placed in straight lines. Instead, they follow the movement pattern of a chess knight. A knight moves in an L shape. This means two squares in one direction and then one square to the side. This pattern is used to place and find the words in the grid. To find a word, follow the knight movement from one letter to the next. Each step must follow the same L-shaped pattern until the full word is completed. Because the words are not in straight lines, they are harder to spot. This makes the puzzle more challenging and requires more focus and careful searching. Keep the grid clear and not too crowded. Using a balanced number of words helps keep the puzzle readable and enjoyable. You can add words to your puzzle by typing them in manually, one per line. You can also upload a CSV file, for example the sample file included with the app, to quickly load a full set of words. You can also use prompt cards to generate a word list with AI. Simply choose a prompt, copy it, and use ChatGPT to create the content. Then paste the result back into the app to load your puzzle. Night word search puzzles are great when you want something different from the classic format. They work well for puzzle books that need more variety and challenge.